Wife, where is the milk? Husband, milk. Did you tell me to bring milk? Wife, no. Husband, then? Wife, I wrote it on a paper and that paper is still pasted on your sleeve. Did you even read the paper? Looks at it. Husband, okay. God, I forgot about it. Wife, right. And you didn't forget to bring beer. Husband, yes. So? Wife, I didn't even tell you bring beer. Husband, see, I remembered something. Wife, and you also bought chips, DVDs, and let me see a new golf cap. Husband, yes. Wife, how did you not forget all of this? Husband, I am not sure. Wife, let me tell you, you never forget whatever is important for you. Husband, not like that. Wife, you forgot my mom at the zoo. Husband, once I entered the zoo I could not figure out your mom from the other animals. Wife, what? Husband, I told her not to wear that hat with colorful feathers. I even told her not to move very close or tough the cages because someone might shoot her thinking a wild animal is trying to escape. Wife, so when my mom was running after you shouting your name, you thought it is a bird or something? Husband, no, I forgot my name. Wife, reasons and reasons. This can't continue. You need to be responsible. Husband, for your mom. Wife, no, for your forgetfulness. Husband, it is not that I have control. Wife, okay. But why didn't you forget your mother anywhere? Husband, I don't know. Wife, let me tell you, she is your mother and she is important for you. Husband, okay. She also doesn't leave my hand. Wife, okay. You never forget your parents' birthday but always forget my birthday. How is that? Husband, because both were born on Christmas and I was raised as a staunch Christian. Wife, you never forget to go to play golf. Husband, my friend calls me up. Wife, you never forget to watch your favorite TV show? Husband, because it comes at the same time every day. Wife, okay, and you never forget the name of the favorite dish at the restaurant? Husband, yes, because I have been eating the same since I was a kid. Wife, but you forget to empty the trash, do the dishes and feed the cat. Husband, I see the cat sitting on the trash and licking the dishes and so I don't want to disturb the cat. Wife, why? Husband, you don't want an angry cat in the house. And after seeing it licking the dishes I don't want to overfeed it. Wife, goodness. Look at your excuses. Okay. I want the trash and dishes to be taken care of irrespective of the cat. Husband, you should be grateful it is only because of my forgetfulness we have a son today. Wife, smiling, stop it. Husband, Stella, let's go upstairs. Wife, Stella is the name of the cat. My name is, anyways, let's go.